Across a vast number of industries, such as mobile equipment, industrial automation, and robotics, the requirements for actuation are changing. Machines are becoming more electrified, more instrumented, and more autonomous, and that's putting new pressure on the systems that actually move the load. At Rise Robotics, our mission is to make existing machines better and to make new machines possible. We developed Beltdraulic actuators to deliver hydraulic class force with the efficiency, precision, and controllability modern machines increasingly require. Hydraulics remain the benchmark for compact, high-force motion, and they're used everywhere because they work. But when equipment builders need higher efficiency, greater instrumentation, and simpler maintenance, the complexity of pumps, valves, hoses, and fluids can become a constraint, especially as systems electrify. On the other side, ball and roller screw actuators offer efficiency and precision. But as force and stroke requirements scale, speed and service life can drop, creating practical limits in high-load, high-duty applications. Beltdraulic was developed to bridge these trade-offs, to provide very high force with high efficiency and precision at higher full-load speeds in a robust package designed for demanding duty cycles. At its core, Beltdraulic uses wire rope reinforced belts, originally developed for the elevator industry, paired with a block and tackle architecture that multiplies force while maintaining smooth, controlled motion. This approach generates high linear force without pumps, hoses, or hydraulic fluids, enabling a durable, low-maintenance actuator with native closed-loop feedback. The technology scales from roughly 2-ton load classes to over 50 tons, with full load speeds of up to 2 meters per second. These characteristics make Beltdraulic well-suited for the most demanding applications. In manufacturing and industrial automation, speed and precision increase throughput and productivity. In mobile and electrified equipment, efficiency increases mission time and enables smaller battery systems. In robotic systems, native closed-loop feedback enables advanced motion planning, teleoperation, and automation. In harsh or remote environments, durable mechanical design and health monitoring reduce downtime and service burden. And in food, agriculture, and maritime equipment, fluid-free operation eliminates leaks that can cause downtime or costly remediation. Rise Robotics works with equipment builders and Tier 1 partners to bring Beltdraulic into next-generation platforms. If you're exploring the future of high-force motion in electrified, automated, or harsh-duty systems, we'd like to talk.